digested as a rectal, per rectal administration of the Anuvasana Vasti, it is unable to be absorbed in toto and it takes the 48 hours. And second thing, as the Dalahana states, Kayagni Ushma is going to make the Pachana of the Vasti Sneha. This is the statement as per the Vasti is concerned. Pachakagni Ushma. The question is, what is this Pachakagni Ushma? If you are going to see the physiology book, many of the enzymes which are going to act in the colon are being produced in the stomach. There is a very good sequenciation of the enzymes and where they are being produced, where is the activity of these enzymes are being there in the physiology book, very specifically Guyton and other things which you can see it. Here, the production of those enzymes in the pediatric area or pediatric group is a smaller quantity which do require a minimum quantity of this Sneha which is administered as a Anuvasana Vasti to be get digested. It is going to be there on the intestine, that is a large intestine walls for 48 hours to be get absorbed. That is the reason why this after 48 hours of the Anuvasana Vasti, only the Niruha Vasti has to be given. Then the Virechana has to be given. This Virechana, when Anuvasana Vasti can make tissue deprival and Vishama Avastha also, instead of making the exactly Brahmana what is being anticipated. If excess of the Anuvasana is going to be given, it can cause the jadatva or the frigidity and immobility of the slotas. That is the reason why the Snehamatra in the Vasti of the child is very specific. Even 30 ml which we are going to give the Matra Vasti like in elderly people, that is also not going to be a compatible dose for the child. That's why we have to go with very, very negligible amount of the Vasti. I usually stop this pediatric Panchakarmas for the past 25 years once I am in the academics. That's why I should not comment on. But usually a 10 ml is very sufficient quantity for the pediatric people. Now here the Anuvasana Vasti with the oil, usually we are going to prefer the children in the general practice also. The Virechana, for the Virechana we do not want to go with the much of the things. Only a tamarind which is going to be crushed and pulp, tamarind pulp is being inserted in the anus, that gives a very comfortable Virechana. And otherwise at the maximum 1 teaspoon of the castrol is being given, that is going to be good Sneha Virechana which is going to be done for the children. Otherwise we go with the milk of magnesia. This is a very good and comfortable Virechana. If at all the Vasti, Anuvasana Vasti, we don't go with the Anuvasana Vasti, we go with the enema. Most common things in the children is the constipation is going to be get developed because of the milk powder which is being used for the children. That is other than that of the mother's milk which is being used. To make a processing, usually we say little soap has to be added for the milk so that it is going to make it pachana very fast enough. If there is still constipation, many mothers do not give even the water also. That's why the constipation is going to be developed because of this milk powder and other outside milk for the children. Here what we are trying to make out is, there only we are trying to give a little laxation because Dugdha itself is a good laxative. The question comes for the very specifically people, those who are mentally retarded patients, or otherwise the people, those who are having the Balapakshagata or the otherwise with other different disorders, polio-like. These disorders when we are treating, Anuvasana Vasti and Niruha Vasti are the Vata Vasti Krama in the either in the format of the Yoga Vasti or Karma Vasti, Kala Vasti is by number is going to be necessary. One thing is very specific is if the anuvasana quantity is going to be excess than that of the pediatric weight, that boy is going to get the frigidity and it is going to give the sroto rodhata is being said here. Now let us see how this vamana is going to be done. This vamana dravya indicated commonly are of the katapala, nichula, sirisha, etc. This vamanopaka dravya is also going to be there. The vamana, when it is going to be used along with the madanapala, avacha, pippali, saindava and etc., vamaka yoga, only one thing, as I was speaking about the sphincteric control is the most important for the either the rectal administration of the vasti medicine or the virechana karma. Like the same, the person, the boy who is able to expel it out. When I was interning in long back, after 40 years almost, I was posted in the Nilofer hospital. A small boy who was vomiting. He is vomiting worms, nematodes. He is defecating nematodes, he is vomiting nematodes. That means his totally worm infestation was there. This person, we require a vidanga. We require the vamana with the materials. See here the question is how, he is only 1 year boy. The vomiting tendencies which are going to be there because of this worm infestation is horrible to see even. How the boy would have been felt it. The mother is holding the worms and pulling out and throwing out. That was the condition. And this vamana karma to perform in a child, the child a minimum has to be having an understanding of what is being done. If what is being done to the individual, if the patient could not understand, do not force the children or the adults even for the vamana or the panchakarmas. They have to have a minimum understanding what is going to be happening. Here, Arishta is being advised after the 5 to 6 kala, and Vriddha Kasyapa has got a different notion and advised to add the chakra in any of the Vamaka dravya. It is question of the palatability. Even I add the madhu and also chakra even in the adults vamana karma also. Because this palatability is being made by the Vriddha Kasyapa comment. The virechana is the second aspect which is a passive, very comfortably can be given once there is a sphincter control. Just to see the sphincter control is there. If the sphincter control is not there, it is going to give rise to Gudabhramsha. And after 15 days of the Vamana Karma, Virechana is being advised. Virechana yogas you can choose accordingly. And with butter and cream, here the sasneha, here the butter and cream is being given than that of the other things. Otherwise I am giving with the ghrita. Even this butter and cream, even for the elderly people also, what you can make out is trivrut and butter. You can just give on the morning toast, let the very comfortable toast is there and apply the trivrut avlaika, apply butter and little shakara over it and jam and put it up and give them. Very comfortable virechana is going to be there with you. If you require, put some soap and triphala churna as a condiment over it. And this butter and creams are being given for the children, especially for the virechana yogas. And while doing the vamana, getting virechana or the vice versa is ati yoga in which you have to follow it. Nasya in the children. In fact, I have seen a video, one Japanese mother is holding the pump of water, putting on the one side nostril, pushing it, and it is coming all the phlegm and accumulation from the other nostril. This is a very comfortable. I was really fascinated with. Even for the Nasya Karma, why don't we do it? It is otherwise like Neti Dhaute of this yoga kriyas, it is looking like. But all that nasal obstruction has been removed within no time. A little salt and water can be used. Here this Nasya Karma as a Shodhana. It is clearing the nasal passage, thereby it is also once again we have to take it, we can very comfortably use this Nasya Karma. And Apamarga, Ishwaku, Pipli, Lashuna, Shirisa, etc. Here the Lasuna usage is said to be the Pipli usage is said to be the one of the most important. This Lasuna and Pipli, they cannot bear it. If at all it is being given, always better to be given as in the form of the oils only. Second is the Purana, to remove the kapha. As I was speaking about this, putting a bulb of lukewarm or the mild salt added water, cleansing everything of the oral cavity and nasal cavity is very comfortable in the children, which could be done as a nasya for the children. Next, Murdita Chikitsas. This is one more difficult thing because to hold and to keep the child in the position is a very difficult. Further, either the understanding of the patient, student must be there with. And Murdita Chikitsas, when we are doing Sira Vasti Pichu, some of the things can be made out, but Dhara is really difficult. And at the time, it is preferred as a Sarvanga Dhara instead of the only for the Shiro Dhara. So, it depends upon the withstandability of the child also. And Bahya Upacharas of the Panchakarmas are performed in the same way. Otherwise, we are going to have very much difficulty being raised with these children to keep them in position for 30 minutes and 45 minutes. The simple common conditions which are going to come across in the children, emaciated or undernourished child. This posture, it requires the sneha and adaptability of the sneha vicharnas is the better one here. And it requires annalepa and shashtin shali pindas veda, as it is a generalized and all over the body it can be done with little cry and hue. And the second one is pratishyaya or the nasal discharges is the common condition. It requires the cleaning and also nasya karma that can be done very comfortably. Third is the udara krimi. It requires the regular virechana along with the krimi hara medication or the vedanga especially is necessary. And constipation and low motility of the intestines is the common thing. For that we are going to give Vasti Karma or otherwise the Virechana also. Best is the lukewarm water with enema or the Triphala, Gandhara Bharitaki Kwatha. Most common thing is usually the children whenever they are getting the fever, we put the paracetamol, this thing, that thing, that thing. Commonly every mother is going to put the same paracetamol liquid or the syrup. But I just say a small appeal. Before to giving this paracetamol, give a lukewarm water enema, leave him for 1 hour, measure the temperature after 1 hour, 99.9% of the cases are going to become normal. Temperature will be immediately normalized with a simple lukewarm water enema or once you are going to relieve the constipation. And the diseased Panchakarma when we are going to make, I just want to comment, whenever we are treating in the Panchakarma area with the IVDP, I don't know what sort of the protocols you are using. I use the Patikashaya protocol. How many of you are aware of this Patikashaya? Please raise your hand. Patikashaya. Did you heard this word at all? Anybody hear this word Patikashaya? My goodness. Okay. The Pati means droni. Pati means droni. When we are making the patient, inviting the patient on droni, as we are inviting on the droni and sitting on the droni patient, we are going to give a warm welcoming drink. This warm welcoming drink is Gandharva Haritaki Kwatha. This Gandharva Haritaki Kwatha he is going to drink with a cup of Gandharva Hari 40 ml, usually minimum dose, along with 1 glass of water lukewarm. The patient, once he is going to be completing the 45 minutes of the Abhyanga, his bowels are going to be already active and we are going to make the steam for 15 minutes, 1 hour. He just rush for the things. And when we have this IVDP patient, first we are going to have the Kativasti, then the Abhyanga. That means total together 1.5 hours. Out of this 1.5 hour, this Gandharva Haritaki, comfortably it is going to make its action. The patient, as he is going to evacuate himself, the lumbar pain is gone. Check it out. We doesn't require much bigger things. If you are making a proper intervertebral massage, I don't know how many people are acquainted with the intervertebral massage. There is a special massage of the intervertebral massage. If you make the Kativasti and after that intervertebral massage and steaming along the body, the patient after 15 minutes, even without giving the Gandharva Haritaki Kvata, he is going to defecate. Once he defecates, the sola is going to be relieved. Spastic back or spasm very comfortably can be relieved. If you give Gandharva Haritaki, effort is doubled up and more result. Here under the diseased Panchakarma for the children, common diseases we are getting the polio. The musculoskeletal we treated with this Abhyanga, Sweda, Shashti, Shali, Pinda, Sweda and Basti Karma. For the special children like mental retardation, autism and delayed milestones, etc., we go with the Abhyanga, Shido Pichu, Shido Lepa, Shido Dhara, etc. Nasal respiratory condition, asthma, cold for the Vamana and Virechana, this is required understanding of the patient. Skin conditions like infectious conditions, ulcers, etc. For the Vamana and Virechana, Virechana passive can be given at any time. And worm infestation, roundworm especially, is going to be with Vamana, Virechana and Krimihara Chikitsa. Vedanga is the most important. Otherwise, we are going to with the Krimi Mudgar Rasa, Krimi Kutar Rasa, Vedanga Arishta are to be used. To conclude this Bal Panchakarma, the dosage is one of the most important thing which we are going to regulate for the according to the baby weight. There is no change of the indications or contraindication of the Bala and the adult Panchakarmas, child and adult Panchakarmas. But one thing which we have to understand is, see the fitness of the patient. As we are looking with the same thing, the rectal sphincter and the cardiac sphincter for the stomach, both are that sphincteric action of the child. If it is of the perfect and controllable, then the Panchakarma can be given. Otherwise, the Bhakya Panchakarma, Bhakya Upacharas, Abhyanga, etc. can be given very comfortably. The dosage which we have to check it out according to the weight. Usually we give the Madana Phala for the Vamana Karma 3 to 5 grams. Madana Phala Pipli. 3 to 5 grams. 5 grams is a very big dose. 3 grams usually sufficient for. And for the child, how much you give? What I suggest is, instead of going for this Madana Phala yogas, as in the morning speaking, mechanical actions and chemical actions like that, such things which we are going to make it out is the comfortable thing. And duration according to the age also to be summarized. We cannot go with the 45 minutes. Many people say, do it. It cannot be done even. We have to regulate the timings also. Selection of the palatable medicines also being necessary, and procedural precautions are to be taken in a very specific conditions. So as this conclusion, as we are going to come out, we have to make it out how better this Bal Panchakarma will be made out. As usually present today, the Bal Roga Vibhaga is going to take them in their own charge. We may not be required, but many a times it is going to be under our responsibility. If they are doing any mistake or if they are asking assistance of ourselves, we have to make this Bal Panchakarma specialist to assist with our specialized knowledge of the Panchakarma. So as such, here is the things with the Bal Panchakarma. Thank you very much, and we go with question answer set.